In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Mint Intuit account in 2025 step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Intuit sign-in page. Make sure you're using the legitimate Intuit website so your account information stays secure. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the login screen where you can begin entering your account details. On the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your login information. Intuit gives you a few different options here, so you can sign in using the one connected to your account. You can type in your email address, your phone number, or your Intuit user ID. Take a moment to make sure the information is entered correctly, especially if you have more than one email address or phone number. After that, click the sign in button to move to the next screen. Next, enter the password associated with your Intuit account. Be careful to type it exactly as it was created, since passwords are case sensitive. If you're signing in on a personal device, it can still help to pause for a second and double check for typing mistakes before continuing. Once your password is entered, continue to the next step. Depending on your account settings, Intuit may ask you to complete a security verification. This is a normal part of the login process and is designed to help protect your account from unauthorized access. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email address, your mobile phone, or your authenticator app depending on the verification method you have set up. Be sure to use the most recent code you receive, since these codes often expire quickly. After entering the code, continue to finish signing in. Once the verification is complete, you'll be signed into your account. From there, you can access your Intuit account settings and use any eligible Intuit services linked to that account. This is the point where you can review your profile, manage account preferences, and continue to the service you need. If you run into any issues during sign-in, the most helpful thing is usually to go back and verify that your email, phone number, user ID, or password was entered correctly. Small typing errors are often the cause.